Alright, downhill into another weekend of August 14th, 2025. CN, he's here, 2112 southbound here with the Jeep of the Lady. Let's check it out! 65! 75 ACC 8317! GPU coming up! MC3881 sporting the 100th anniversary logo. M342! This is actually 342. Looks like it. That's HX4034 end of train device is going. Nicely done. How about that? Even my next SD75i ACC in the books. Wonderful. So that's going to do it for the M342 41 of the 13th, excuse me. And we'll do it for the 3865, the 8317, and the DPU of the 3881. Once again, off she goes to Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. How about that? That is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Have a great evening. I'll see you next time. Excuse me. And I hope I'll see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.